Hagwan. Meron ba, Doki?
Guys,
Okay.
ihanda ang inyong tribo sa susunod na pagsubok. Talabang ito'y sigurado kang mapapasubo. Mainit ang labanan, kaya maghanda ng dudusan. Sa pabilisan ng pasahan, kayo ay mabibiyayahan.
We received that free mail saying that we're gonna be passing something hot from mouth to mouth. And we really had no idea what was going on. We had no clue what that meant.
Survivors, lapit!
My God.
Welcome sa kauna-unahan ninyong reward challenge. Ang challenge nito ay magsusubok sa inyong determinasyon bilang tribo at leadership ng bawat tribe leader. Pero bago natin masimulan ang challenge nito, kailangan mahati muna kayo sa 3 tribo sa pamamagitan ng schoolyard pick. Ibig sabihin, kayo mismo ang pipili kung sino gusto nyong maging katribo. Tribe leaders, Buhawi, Ira, and John, stay here in front. The rest of the castaways, please line up on the side.
Schoolyard pick was okay. It depends on who gets first pick, how this is gonna go.
Buhawi, dahil ikaw ang unang tribe leader, ikaw ang unang pipili. Sino gusto mo maging katribo?
So then?
I was scared that I'd be one of the last chosen or something, but Louis went first and he chose me first, so I'm guessing maybe he felt like he could trust me.
I was very surprised at Bowie picking Solen. For me, just as a physical threat, I thought maybe they would have picked somebody else like Elma. I thought Elma was going to be the first pick because she's she's an athlete.
Si Solen, dahil alam ko yung napapansin ko laro niya, yung tahimik lang pero gumagalaw.
Ira, ikaw ang pangalawang tribe leader. Sino gusto mong piliin na lalaki?
Hero.
Hero.
I know that the girls were plotting against the guys. They wanted to get rid of all the guys, and he was right when he got picked. He was starting to get on the team that wanted him out.
Kasi kailangan ko ng isang lalaki na pwedeng gumawa ng lahat. Eh, ang nakikita ko lang doon, si Akihiro sa kasi siya.
John, it's your turn.
Moy.
Moy.
Because most of your day is at camp, and Moy does everything around camp, no questions asked. So I picked Moy, and she doesn't seem that weak either.
Kung ako kasi una niya pinili, syempre lahat patitingin na naman sila. O ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, so kailangan talaga, alis natin sila.
Solen, it's your turn. The Ferds.
When Bowie chose me, I said we need another strong guy in the team because the other one had John na. So I said let's get Doc. Pero Bowie was like, let's get Aaron na lang. But I didn't see Aaron as a competitive person at first.
Akihiro.
Aubrey?
Aubrey.
Si Aki kasi sobrang mabait na tao eh, di ba? Baka pag may sinabi ka sa kanya, okay. Yun, siguro nung sinabi niya, si Aubrey pili mo.
Moy, it's your turn.
Aaron.
Aaron.
Kasi kakalala ko na si Moy even before pa. Tinabi kasi ni Moy, nahirapan siya between me and the team. Sana akong piliin ni Moy. Siguro dahil mas matagal yung pinagsamahan namin ni Moy, wala pa kami dito. Si Ervic ata, dito niya namin ka-close.
Now we go to Doc Ferds. Make your pick. Elma. Aubrey. Irving.
Sabi ko hindi mo palagay yung ano ko sa audition. Trisha Irving, wala namang comparison. Nagulat ako nag-react sa Trisha. Sabi ko, at sa totoo lang, hindi ko siya nakita. May taong dito sa John, doon pala siya. Tapos, sabi ko, sorry, hindi ko nakita. Pero kahit nakita kita, si Irving talaga pipiliin ko.
Parang gusto ko mapunta kay Buhawi. Mas magiging mas magiging madali yung buhay namin sa isla kasi maano siya makusa siya.
Aaron? Ikaw na ang pipili. Michelle.
There weren't that many girls left. Out of the girls that were left, the only one that I would want on my team was Michelle. So I told Aaron, I was like, pick Michelle.
Kaya hindi tayo na nagsama sa isang grupo si Michelle at si John Hall. Hello, magjowa sila eh. Kahit sinong tanungin mo, kumbaga hindi tama na magkasama sila. Kasi alam na yung alliance, dalawa na kaagad sila, di ba?
Elma, pwede ka na pumili. Nico.
Yung team na yun, sinasabi ko nga na parang dream team din. Kasi lahat ng nakasali dun sa tribo na yun, magaan yung loob ko.
Irving. Karen.
Kahit saan ako ilagay, okay lang. Kasi marunong naman ako makisama sa tao. Kumbaga kung may gusto silang pagawa sa akin, gagawin ko. At may kusa naman ako eh.
Michelle. Ian.
When it was our last pick, we got to pick Ian. I told Michelle to pick Ian as well.
Nico, it's your turn. Micah. And Trisha, you belong to Ira's group. Buhawi, ang magiging pangalan ng tribo mo. Pagan, please take your tribe flag. Ira, Sarmayi, please take your tribe flag. John, Naga. Magan, Sarmayi, and Nagar. Yan ang magiging pangalan ng tribes ninyo. Ngayon, pwede niyong kunin ang inyong tribe buffs. Castaways, please get your tribe buffs according to your tribe. Ang tawag sa game na ito ay tulak ng bibig. Sa harapan ng mga tribe leaders, merong isang bowl of curry na may iba't ibang sahog. Ang sahog, chicken head, chicken feet, pig's tongue, kidney, tail, intestines, and there's also ox stripe o tuwalya. Ang gagawin ng tribe leader, magsusuot ng goggles, tatali ang kamay sa likod, gamit ang kanyang bibig, kukunin ang sahog na sasabihin ko. Ipapasa ngayon ito sa pangalawang katribo. Pagpapasapasahan ninyo ang sahog gamit ang inyong bibig hanggang makarating ito sa bowl na naghihintay sa dulo. First tribe na malagay ang sahog sa dulo gets 1 point. And first tribe to get 3 points will win the rewards. Gusto niyo bang malaman kung ano pinaglalabanan ninyo?
Yes!
For the winning tribe, ang makukuha.
Boys! Kagamitan.
Rice ba yan?
Kagamitan, pampatibay ng shelter, flint, bolo, pot, water container. bigas at palay. Hindi lang yan. Meron din tayong special guest na naghihintay sa inyo pagbalik nyo sa camp.
Mariah Carey.
Para sa mga talunan na tribe, ang makukuha, posporo, small pot, small water container, bolo, at kaunting bigas. Yan ay para sa dalawang talunan na tribe. At dahil 5 lang ang tribe members ni John, Sarmayi, Magan, you have to sit out 1 member of your tribe. Kayo na ang pumili kung sino. Pero tandaan lang, hindi pwedeng i-sit out ang same member sa magkasunod na challenges. So isipin na mabuti kung sino i-sit out.
You think we should reserve Mama L sa river? Kaya mo ba? Kaya mo ba?
Actually, I wanna eat this, the curry, the parts of the chicken, so I can eat a little bit. So, pero we have to strategy start from that game. One of the other groups have to sit down to be able to enjoy the next challenge, physical especially.
Okay, Magan, have you decided we're gonna sit out?
We decided Micah will sit out this one.
Micah, you will sit out for this one. Sarmayi, who will sit out?
Akihiro.
Akihiro. First round, ang hahanapin ninyo, dila ng baboy. Survivors ready! Go!
Ang masama doon kasi nung nasimbot namin, sobrang sakit. Talagang gumuguto. Pakita mo sa amin, Ira! Pakita mo, Ira!
Mali! Magan! Nagkamali ang Magan, bumabalik! Nagar! Nagar taking the lead! Nagar! Nagar wins this round!
Yes! Sabi ko, ako na lang sa dulo. Kasi malaki ng bibig ko, joke. Sigurado hindi siya malalaglag. At saka mabilis naman ako tumakbo. Kung kaya kong i-shoot kung maayos dun sa plagana. Parang...
Round 2! Ang kukunin ninyo, kidney! Ready? Go! Hello? Tribe leaders, pinapakita. Kami ng mga katribo kung tama ba ang kanilang nakukuha.
No.
Ali, kitip! Tama!
Nagar at Sarmayi halos sabay. Sarmayi taking the lead. Napasa na kay Trisha. Napasa na kay Karen. Karen! Kaya na guys! Stop!
Buksan mo, please. Baka sa loob ka.